Cutting Processing. 1. Set Z-axis height. First of all, lower down the upper nozzle to keep 0.2 mm distance. Use thickness gauge between the upper nozzle and the workpiece. Use Z-lock manual. F1. Z-lock switch 0 equals to off, 1 equals to on. When height setup of Z-axis is done. When Z-lock SW is on, Z-axis coordination will be changed to color red and the Z-axis cannot go down anymore. Note: press Z-lock button on the remote control twice rapidly can also free up Z-lock. 2. Call up a job file for simulation and execute. File. Opened, a graph simulation is done. Next press Auto for formal executing cutting. 3. Memory data setup. F2. Memory data 1. To initialize conditions like taper, offset D, X and Y axis mirror, axis change, scale ratio, thickness, axis rotation, and overcut. Press F3. Memory data 2. Corner control, marking dip switch and AWT functions. Press F6. Memory HVAR to input offset value. 4. Co-op cutting technology, S-code. Press F1. Memory path. Input S-code number E1545 or number 1545. Enter. It may be neglected if S-code has been existed in NC program. For example, input E15455. Reset local coordinate. Press R. Enter to reset local coordinate. Start to start cutting.